Hello, I'm Serge Paquin, and today we're going to learn about accessing voicemail from your telephone using a 3CX phone system. This isn't done as much anymore since most people prefer to use voicemail to email. I find it's a much more convenient method, and that's what I do personally, but there's still times that you want to retrieve the voicemail directly from your phone. You'll get an indication that you have a voicemail by the red blinking light. That's telling you you either have a voicemail or a missed call. To access your voicemail, you simply press the messages button and that dials into that extension.
Please enter personal identification number, then press pound.
We'll dial the PIN number and press pound.
You have one new message.
It tells us we have a
Press star
message.
to play. Press 9 for options. To exit, press pound.
And as you can hear, we press star to play.
Just a test voicemail.
Press 0 for next message. Press 1 for previous message. Press 2 to repeat current message. Press 3 to delete current message. Press 4 to call back. Press 5 to forward to another voicemail. Press 9 for options. To exit, press pound.
You can see there's lots of options to do with your voicemail. In this case, we're just going to delete it.
To delete message, press star. To cancel, press pound. Message deleted. End of messages. Press star to play. Press 9 for options. To exit, press pound.
So at the end, if you've gone through all of your voicemail messages, you can simply press end call. Once you're done that, the voicemail waiting indicator should turn off after a few seconds, and you're able to move on with your day. This has been a little bit of an introduction on how to check your voicemail directly from your phone using the 3CX phone system.